So I have a Festool sander with the clean tech connector and a rigid vacuum. They don't fit. I used to tape it, got annoyed, so I thought I could 3D print one. So this has a taper. I ended up doing 3 degrees on each side, which was too much. And then this is actually has a few knobs. If you look at the clean tech connector, it has a few locations where the knob goes in, but it also has this bump. This one was too tight, and also the taper was too big. It doesn't line up. You could see there's a little slop. So I figured out this was a 1.5 on each side, 3 total. Here's the second iteration. Look at that, no movement. So I toned down this diameter. It ended up going on kind of snug, but you can't twist it. So what I did was I filed down these grooves. And there's the big one. There's one that doesn't have a groove for clocking, I would assume. So then, here's the final iteration. Put some knurls on it for grip. Slides on, same taper, this spins. As you can see, I flattened 2 of them, no filing needed. I also pulled them down a little bit because it needed to go farther up the connector. So let's clock this. Spins easy, doesn't come off, it's clocked. Spin it, comes off. Could be a little looser, but I think it'll work good tight. So you could, there's a little leak path, but oh well. There it is. 3D printed, works well.